Hello all. Welcome. Please subscribe to our channel if you did not subscribe. This is a coding standard rule for constant in the series of blog spots which we had earlier, and please subscribe to our channel if you did not subscribe. And the standard rule, coding standard rule, is use const wherever possible. The rule says the constant keyword shall be used whenever possible, including to declare variables that should not be changed after initialization, 2 to define call by reference function, and to define call by reference function parameters that should not be modified. Example, char const pointer p underscore data. To define fields in structs and unions that cannot be modified. Example, in a struct overlay for memory mapped IO peripheral registers and as a strongly typed alternative to hash define for numeral constants. The reasoning is the upside of using const as much as possible is compiler enforced protection from unintended writes to data that should be read. So this rule should be remembered. I use this rule by some embedded gurus for me, and I upload 4 more standard rules which I follow. It worked for me for plenty of years and it is still working and it will work forever. If you like it, you do it. I repeat this. So the constant keyword shall be used whenever possible, including to declare variables that should not be changed after initialization. Suppose I am initializing int a equal to 5. It should not be changed. So put a const in forward. For to define call by reference function parameter that should not be modified. Example, char const pointer p underscore data. To define fields in structs and unions that cannot be modified. Example, in a struct overlay for memory mapped IO peripheral registers. Suppose I have a port A registers, memory mapping IO peripheral registers would be there for port A, right? So those registers should be the struct overlay of that particular register should be used with this constant as a strongly typed alternative to hash define for numerical constants. Hash define is just simply replaces that, but here this is a strong hold for it. The upside of using const as much as possible is compiler enforced protection from unintended writes to data that should be read. Unintended, by mistake something else will happen at somewhere else, the variable should not be changed. For such reasons we'll go with constant. I hope you like this rule. You will implement this rule. Try this with your compilers, whatever compiler you use. Try this. If it works for so and so compiler, so just make a note of it. Very few compilers will reject this rule. I know which were they also, as I encountered, but it was been resurrected in the next version of the updated compilers which I saw. In general, 95% these rules work for everyone. If you like it, please press the like button, and press, if you did not subscribe, please subscribe the channel by clicking subscribe button and bell icon for personalized notices. Thank you.